I want you to pause and read this comment. Read them critically and understand where I'm going to. You see, when I make a video, a lot of you think that I'm doing assumption. There is something somebody said in the comment section like almost 1 month ago. He was telling me that your video is inciting hatred against Igbo. I burst laugh. Igbo has fought a war, killed and murdered in several riots, occasions that does not warrant the Igbos to be among. So it's not me that is generating the hate. After all, what I'm trying to do is to make you see that we are not the problem. This case that is happening in Uromi is one of the reasons why people like me are making videos. Uromi is an Ishan tribe in Edo State. But do you see how all of them have decided to use the occasion to drag Igbo into the matter? Do you see? This case happened in Edo State, an Ishan area of Edo State. But Igbo people, now they want to attack. So when we say this, you think that we don't know what we are saying. I keep saying it again. Igbo blood has been shed to keep this country going. Every time everybody venture angers on any part of Nigeria is Igbo people. That's why the Yorubas, those Runu APC, beat their own brothers because they think it looks like Igbo. Once you resemble Igbo, once you look fine, in fact in Nigeria, once you say the truth, they say that because he is a Bopi or he must be an Igbo person. People don't believe that somebody who is saying the truth must come from the north or come from the south or come from southwest or even be another tribe in south-south. So when I'm saying this thing, I know the reason why I'm saying it. Look at that comments. Where has Igbo people become a vigilante? In Uromi. There is an Ishan tribe. Did I say that Igbos are not in Edo State? Igbos are in Edo State, they wanke. But is it Igbo area does it happen to? No. Now, why are you dragging the Igbos into this matter? And this video will not go viral because you are trying to make sure that we are free from this. However, there are a lot of issues to discuss. The president of Nigeria decided to act out of emergency because he called this a jungle justice. In English grammar, alternative means a second option. If somebody does not have an option, there is no need for alternative. This is a jungle justice because the real justice has failed. If Nigerians actually are getting justice, that when they catch an armed robber, they catch a thief, they send him to prison, and justice are made, they catch a rapist, they catch a corrupt politicians, and justice are given, Nigerians will not be doing jungle justice. Nobody loves killing his fellow human being. I'm the one saying it. Even the Fulani that people are thinking they are killers is not what they want to be doing. Because there was a time Fulani know they go up and then they kill people. But something happens. Every smoke you see, there's a fire somewhere. Things not just happen, but nobody wants to say it. The Mr. President is declaring that those people should be hunted down. But few weeks ago, Enugu State people were protesting. Ebonyi State people were protesting. Women protesting about the killing of the Fulanis. Did the Mr. President do that? This is why jungle justice is still existing. Because if justice, fairness, and equity are being passed down to every Nigerian, some people will not take the law into their hands. Are we supporting jungle justice? No. But there is no way the jungle justice will stop when the justice are not being met. The judiciary has been corrupt. The judiciary has been hijacked. The same thing with the police force. Others coming is for punishment of a selective group. Is it today that people begin hearing about Fulani killing people in their farms? Here in my state, Delta North, are there not people which they were videoed about 3 of Nigerian soldiers were beheaded by this so-called terrorist group in the north? Did Mr. President and the security officer said we are going to hunt them down? Make sure the perpetrators are being hunted down until justice is served. Our soldiers using Nigerian money to train them to serve us and put security in order. Nothing happened. We didn't hear such a statement. Maybe na me no hear, but anybody can prove me wrong. That there was a statement made and followed by action, not just statement. Meanwhile, every day in this same Nigeria, we are cases of Fulani herdsmen killing people all over the south, and southeast. And nothing is happening. However, like I always said, I'm not trying to accuse Mr. President, because I personally have said that the best people to hold accountable if anything happens is their governors. This is what I keep saying. Hold your governors accountable. Enugu State governor will not take this action to do something, but when Enugu State people kill somebody, he will be the first to go there. I don't think the governor has visited those places that people protest. Because I know people send me this video on my platform, say talk about this. I decided to ignore. I didn't say anything because I don't want to meddle in some politics. But this is a proper time to say it. When those women were protesting, did the governor rush down there? But if something like this happened, they kill the Fulani herdsmen in the Terra Nation, the governor will be the first to go there. Are we doing selective justice? Or the life of our people not important to us than the strangers? Because if the Fulanis that they kill today are regarded as one Nigeria, nobody will kill them that way. And if the Fulanis are regarded as one Nigeria, they will also be killing Nigerian citizens the same way. We are not just one, we are just pretending. People like me are preaching peace, that we may understand that we are one. I'm a Delta boy. At the same time, I'm an Igbo man in Delta State. I'll be telling people I'm an Igbo man in Delta State. The same of my people will be telling me that I'm doing it because I want to cash out from the Igbos. People don't want to unite. Instead, they will even target a unity beggar. Say, yeah, you are begging the Igbos to be united. How am I begging people to be united? This crisis is coming from identity crisis. When Nigerians don't see themselves as one, that's the identity crisis on its own. We don't identify ourselves as Nigerians. We identify ourselves as tribe. And if we should identify ourselves as tribe, then I should identify myself with my tribe and unite with my brothers. That's why I started making videos of this identity crisis. Today, issue has happened. Nobody knows that Uromi now is Ishan. They are in their comment section. They're even telling us they will revenge. And Igbos, they want to attack. Nobody say, because there's going to be few Ishans in a community to compare with Igbos. Yes, that's the truth. You can't use people of 2 million to compare people of 70 million. There will be more in population in anywhere they occupy than that of, in the ratio. Asian will not be too much outside their comfort zone in other places in Nigeria. They'll be replicated small. But all of them, in the midst of everywhere they stay, they see them coming from the south. They will see them as Igbos first. That's why I'm saying in that my video, that they see you as an Igbo person. Is when you come to their place, you can now say, I know say I no be Igbo, I be this. But they will see you as Igbo person. The same thing with you that deny that you are not Igbo, but you are Igbo. Like my Ika people. If these things start happening, they want to revenge after their breaking of their Salah. What will happen? You think they will leave you? When they killed the Igbos before the civil war started, are there not my people from Delta that was killed? Even during the civil war, they started killing people in the north, in the west. Are there not my Delta people, then old Bender, that was also killed? Yes. Just like what happened in 2023 election, where people were beaten because they look like, that's how some of us are being killed. Now that you know that you are Igbo, you are still denying it. This is what I'm talking about. It's an evidence for you. This is a proper evidence of what we are talking about. The microscope in which the Northerners look at the southeast and the south is Igbos. If you like, they say, yeah, they don't care. Calabar people will die put inside. Akwa Ibom people will die put inside. Whether you have Fika and they don't even separate you. That is the truth. So fire from these areas I'm calling, they see you as an Igbo person. But do I blame them? No. Now me and you, they're supposed to unite have the same cause and front. If you come, I will South South. When will South South become your tribe? As they won't kill everybody now, some Igbo people go die for Anambra join them. They no go say this one as South South people they won't kill now. They will kill everybody because they believe all of you are the same. I said the time without number. This life is better and we no stand well. Illiteracy has become our problem. English no be our mate. We don't know the difference between tribe and state. Somebody now will be claiming Edo State. Now then get them. Now time has reached for you to defend the people you own. Their so-called God, they call their king in Edo State is quiet. Has he made any statement? Can he tell the president or the military officer that my people do them? But they will come and tell you, say, hey, we are the owners of the state. We defend the Ishan people and Benin people are one. Where is the God of Benin to defend them now? If it happened in Igbo speaking area in Edo State, that he suspend their king, can he come and defend them? Say, now my people will be this way, and please, let's tamper justice, let's do it this way. The Northerns, since we are protesting that they are killing people in the south, have you heard any Northern leader speaking? But once it happens to them, they will speak. But when it happens to our kings will shut their mouth and close mouth. They will close their mouth, they will never say anything. But if not to come and be bragging upon their fellow brothers in the same place, you see them coming out. If it happen in Kogi, the same thing, that of a girl and all of them will close mouth. You that has 2 MB will come online and be bragging. But if it happen to you, your king will close mouth. He won't defend you, but you are defending the king territory and be claiming you are fighting for a good cause. That's where the problem starts from. And when people like us speak, say, you don't have respect. Why do you want to question your elders? Which elders? I've said it time without number. This elders does not know anything. They are just selfish. Look at what is happening. How many of our leaders are speaking to defend their people in this case? Are we saying that what they did is good? No. But at least speak up to show that, okay, if it happened in the north, the northern leaders will defend their people. Have you not seen? I'm saying it here. I'm saying it on this video. People were killed in the Igbo land, and they know that it's Fulani that killed them. Did our governor react? Did the kings of the place react? It was even the women that were protesting. Did any of the northern leaders, the Fulanis, say that what their people did is wrong? But they don't reach their own. Everybody don't open mouth. Why? Selective justice will always give birth to a jungle justice. No matter how you kill these 30 people where they say they are arrested now, they can't then go this thing. There are going to be people that will still be angry to retaliate. You hear people saying the Fulani know they forgive. That means if they know they forgive and take justice in their hand, that is also called jungle justice. And people will also retaliate. It is a matter of time until Nigerian government start reacting proactively. Every day, every month, they give them security votes for governors. What are they doing with it? When they arrest people that commit crime and hand it over to them, do they prosecute the people and make sure they serve their jail term? They will still release them and call them repentant Boko Haram, repentant Fulani herdsmen. I'm out of here, Joe.